Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kenyat sngi hadin belayo ban Punjulor no yu Drok belayo ban kurup naki nong khai bat thangpat hapajwa ding berhemba hakwe naki karkhana shna do bilat usembut menteri rangba kajela uba preston tensong ulaong bashibun ondangle shushu hakini gisngi banwan habekran bakila pathai khubor uba preston ulayatho bakakin hon pulit kim dayo Thiah tikna banya Khun persha hagabaya day bat ke jing kharoi jong udrok sapo kajela bat ki pulit kidang treshi tomha ban kem yakini kinong khai droks
more will do so, and then see our police team, they hardly sleep as far as fighting against drugs is concerned. We are doing that, and I'm telling you, we are trying our best. We are trying our best to nab, especially the supplier of drugs. You know, for those addicts, we knew very well. Even the Shnong or even the family members, they will come willingly report this that. But see, ultimately, we need to really come on the supply very, very heavily. And we are doing that. That's what I'm telling you. The police forces, they don't sleep. Every hour, every day, every night, they are working on this. But see, let me tell you one thing. It is not that we don't have enough input. It's not that we don't have enough manpower. We do have. The only point here is this. At least, even public, in case if they have any kind of suspicion, they should also willingly come. Inform to us. We will not disclose the name. Just inform us something fishy here, there, or some kind of suspicion happens here, there. Then the police will be there always.